कोर्ट घालपाचें कितें बंद ना गोयन वेरी इम्पोर्टंट right now, and this is the last warning I am giving you. I will straight away dismiss you from the services. If you do not wear a coat and come for duty with your name on it, I will consider it as a violation of government directions. Please wear it and come back now. Being polite to a doctor does not mean that you are in violation. I got several complaints of this hospital. Right now I want you to go and come. Cancer markers, doctor, cancer markers capability have cancer markers.
Sir, we have another machine where we see
This is open-ended system. This is open-ended system.
this is done for our whole or not.
Cancer markers for ladies, we need to drop whenever they come for their blood test. Mandatorily, cancer markers should be on board and set, so people know. After a certain time, not necessarily you put cancer markers in it because cancer instances, all these things, early detection it will help you. So I wanted protocol actually from your lab, exactly what it is. And सगळ्यांनी कोट बीट घालून एक काम करून जाय सगळे कितलो स्टाफ आसलो
So total I have 3 hygienists, pathologists.
आणि कितें डॉक्टर एक्सप्लेन कर म्हाका.
Yes, so this is the machine. These are different machines. Here we are doing for full north Goa. We are screening for thyroid functions and
inspection
this is the post machine. Chemical analysis. On this machine we can do all the tests. All the tests.
Actually, you should we are doing cancer markers like in men come and do the blood test. Mandatory you add it. No, you add it mandatory. I should add it. Mandatory add it. Add it because just to get early detection of all these things is very important for us to.
And for hemoglobin also we are for full north. So for hemoglobin, for thalassemia, sickle cell, this thing here. And this is a mini machine. This part is the analysis.
And कितना वेळ लागता रिपोर्ट
Sir, just in 5 minutes, report is out. And it is bidirectionally interface. So automatically barcodes are calculated. Machine reads the barcode and the printout comes.
You have sufficient technical staff.
As of now, yes, sir, because we have COVID staff. But if COVID was, then we will not. Here also it is going for observation. We are getting some urine analyzer automated. Right now we are doing all manually. So, but that thing is, so it is orders are already from PM Abhin program. And our district lab is